So we start off today's video with this gorgeous pixie hair transformation. Wow, she looks absolutely amazing. She looked beautiful with the longer hair, but she looks amazing with the short. And then we see somebody move from a bob to a stunning pixie haircut. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle. In today's video, we're going to check out a variety of long to short hair transformations. So if you have been dreaming of cutting your hair and you're looking for a brand new hairstyle, this channel is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we have a gorgeous bob haircut. Stylist is doing some color with this one as well. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. I love how volumized that bob was. And we have another gorgeous bob transformation. So she's going to be getting some color as well. Beautiful wavy texture. Absolutely gorgeous. Next up, we see someone with pretty long waist-length hair. And it looks like she is going super short with this transformation. Beautiful pixie haircut. Wow. Her hair was so long and thick, and she now has a pixie. Such a dramatic change. I love it. Next up, we see someone with pretty long, let's say mid-back length hair. And the stylist is cutting the hair into a bob. Now she does already have this beautiful line of highlights going in the front with the blonde money piece look. Absolutely amazing. She looks stunning. I love the way that the color looks with the shape of the bob. Gorgeous. And then we see someone with shoulder length hair. Looks like she also wants to switch it up to a bob. Wow, this is absolutely stunning, and I love how thick her hair is. It just has so much body. Gorgeous transformation. We have another pixie haircut transformation here. Line parting detail. Nice bangs in the front. Amazing. Loving the chic modern pixie. Oh, and she also donated the hair. I love that the stylist shows that. So then we have this gorgeous bob with the bottleneck style bangs. Absolutely amazing. So I hope you enjoyed checking out today's hairstyles and transformations with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next video.